Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame. So yet again, you know the story. It is the same story over and over. Let me zoom in here, but we've got the middle Bollinger Band daily support. Bulls defending that level 3 days in a row now, and pretty much 9 out of 10 times in 2017. So we continue to hold this level. We continue to see strength. Resistance is 228.59 and the all-time high 229.71. And support is the low of this consolidation, 226.32, and then down to 225.27. So the bulls continue to prove themselves time and time again. Not a very significant reaction to the FOMC. Looks like the market had it pretty dialed in terms of anticipating what was going to occur. And we're still forming an inside candlestick on the weekly time frame, and we're still going to be doing battle with this middle Bollinger Band support for the rest of the week. So looking at SPY on the shorter term time frames, we saw a clear pullback to start today and weakness. And I always like these pre-market levels because once we broke the low of pre-market down at 227.90, that was a clear bearish entry point, and that happened here. Little weak bounce attempt, continuation to the downside, and if that was your target for an entry, a break of 227.90, by the low here, you saw 96 cents to the downside, which would have really nice gains on weekly options, either expiring today, Wednesday, or on Friday. So we rejected from the exponential resistance on every bounce attempt once the bears took over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bounce attempts, rejection. And then yet again, you'll see this time and time again, we got over it, turned it into support, formed a higher low, and then a higher high, and we saw a little bit of upside. Then the FOMC, the reaction to the Fed occurred. Bullish reaction initially, a pullback, higher low formed, and then a lower high. So we did end the day forming a tightening range, and we'll be watching resistance of 227.90 and these support levels down in the low 227s as we do head into tomorrow. Hourly time frame. We are in a channel with 227.43 support. We did reject the high of the day from the last hourly moving average resistance of 228.37. So we'll be watching this channel. It is going to begin tightening a bit. As you can see, this 100-hour moving average support is beginning to level out and then descend a bit. So in a nice channel, bulls still holding the daily middle Bollinger Band. Update that level every morning to know what price that is at. And we'll see if the bulls can continue to hold it for the rest of the week. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a wonderful night.